So this was the first Waveguide that I printed, and I have the pair running now, and it does sound much better. A lot more focus and realism in that mid-range, high mid-range. This particular one was designed to start where the Baffle left off, as far as this early, you can see it there. It goes cone, rubber surround, and then a 45 chamfer to the Baffle, and then the Baffle. And so this piece started from where the Baffle left off, and then getting a more of a horn loading and more of a directed dispersion control, rounded corner, like doing the whole egg shape slash thing, even though there is a flat surface to follow. But it takes away all of that immediate air speaker interface. And I thought, what if I just started a little bit sooner, because I wanted to reprint this anyway, and I printed this new adapter piece to start sooner, to start almost as the cone to surround transition happened. So this is just all eyeballing on the computer, but as you can see, I've almost got it mid-surround. So this new adapter changes the interaction point to this waveguide. So it's sort of happening mid-surround. It could actually be tighter by another 2 mil in diameter, I think. So that's going to be a good listen. I'll get one on each side and see if that tightens up the imaging. That's one thing I did notice straight away, even without this, was the reverb placement, or the back of the stage, did focus in a lot better, and also just transients and things became a lot more realistic or focused. So this, I don't know what this is going to do. Is it going to make it a bit more horn loaded, a bit more peaky? But EQ takes care of that. And is it going to really clear out some of the realism and the focus elements? So I'm really interested in those. So let's line this up properly, and we'll give it a listen.